Hi, good day everyone. On this short video, we're going to perform a comprehensive tutorial about making multi-part studio on which it is emphasized by deriving part from another part studio. It is an excellent way to assemble parts as a flexible design output with the help of the knowledge we gain from computer-aided design exploration. So in this tutorial, we will introduce a thorough application of what Onshape can do. The design that we are going to do is a clamp at which will be containing multiple parts of a component as well as the by-part designing in a single part studio without locomotion, which will be done in assembly.
Before we start sketching our part studios, click on Workspace Units and change this to millimeters. You can change this also to kilograms, and start a new sketch on the front plane. Right-click, View Normal to Sketch Plane. Right-click, hide all the planes. Then click Line. Draw a horizontal line coming from the origin and draw the rest of the lines. Select all the lines drawn and make it construction line. Select these three lines and then click equal. Select this line and the origin, click midpoint. Select these two lines and add perpendicular. So like this point and this line, and then select symmetry. Next, draw several circles, a smaller inner circle and a larger outer circle on all the vertices and endpoints. Then select all the inner circles. There should be 6 of them, and then click equal. Now, select 5 outer circles except the one coming from the origin. Next, draw the following lines. It should be tangent on the circles as the line reaches the other circle. Watch for the tangent icon to show up there. This one's going to be different. It's not going to touch that circle, but it will touch the circle right it. And look for that tangent icon.
Next, select these lines and these circles and click Tangent. Then do it for the other components as well. Now, select these 2-point vertices right here and select horizontal, and it should make the most of your lines black or fully defined or defined. Then observe it in a view normal sketch mode. Then, continue drawing lines from this circle to this circle. And then, this circle to this circle, and watch for the tangent at the following point. Look for the tangent icon to show up now. Add the constraints again, select this circle, and design with tangent. Click this circle in this line tangent, and so on once again.
After it all, check it out in View Normal Sketch. And accept it as a main sketch, large and small arm. View it isometrically. Then select that portions to define the sketch. Select and create all 4 circles here. And point out equal mode. Then, select on sketch, then fill it, and click on those 2 points and double click on the number and type 15. Click on the to fill it and click on the equal. As the piece is on isometric view, click extrude as the main sketch is being highlighted. Set the depth as 5 mm and make sure that these faces here all right heart of the selection.
After this process, change the name of the part 1 into large arm by selecting these spaces. Select extrude. Select new extrude with a depth of 5 millimeters and then accept. Rename part 2 as small arm. And then let's view and check it isometrically. Zoom it out and pick this section. And then select sketch, view normal to sketch plane. Press out the back portion and form from its center. Draw a center point rectangle. And then wait, as it may take a few moments as the tool has quite unrecognizable. After creating the shape, select line tool and then point it out here upward, then like this, and do it on the other side as well. Click the construction line and at the base of the line of the square and put 1 as its dimension. Then from that vertex to the base is 10. Same with the base itself.
We can select this line and make it a construction one. Then this side or this two line, we will going to make it in an equal form. Then before we check it out or validate it, let us rename it as large arm grip sketch. After that, we can select this one for the extrude portion of our object. Here, we can edit it out to make it good. And after that, we can view it isometrically. Then, after that, we can zoom it out and we can rename it as small arm sketch. On the upper portion, we can click the square mode that we're gonna use here, like this, from the center point itself. As we can observe, it is just a similar portion of the upper object here, of the upper square that is being shown. This one, we're going to have this as the dimension of this in millimeters. Then this one, we should make it as is construction one. Then from this point to this point, we can make it as a dimension in millimeter in as 10 millimeter. Afterwards, we can check it out. We can select this one, and make it in an equal form. Okay, if that's good enough, then we can have it as 10 millimeter as well. Okay, we can check it out like this and validate it. You can view it isometrically to be more precise in every detail of object.
As for continuation, select the plane tool and choose entities, then offset the distance to 25 mm. Name it as midplane. Hide the arm grip and small grip sketch. Move the clamp to the center of your working area. Click on the following parts so the only part not selected would be the smallest circle. Now, click Extrude, and we're making a new solid with a depth of 5 mm. After paste, accept the part and select the midplane while extruding it. View it isometrically. Reveal the large arm and select its inner circle while extruding it smoothly.
Rename the part 3 as large arm pin. Part 4 as pivot pin. And the part 5 as small arm pin. Then, view it again isometrically. Click the Boolean tool, then subtract and select the large and small arm. Then choose large arm pin, pivot pin, and small arm pin as the main target. Then accept it. Show the large arm sketch and hide the main sketch. Explore it at different angle and focus on back view. Then select all these portions and hide the mid-plane after.
Select Extrude and choose up to mid-plane. Then accept it. View it again isometrically. Then rename the part 6 as large arm grip. And the part 7 as small arm grip. Hide these features.
Select Extrude tool once again and choose Add Mode, then show the large arm. click up to face of extrude 1. Then choose add merge scope. Then accept the sketch. Hide the large and small arm for checking. Then select those inner circle and extrude it up to face and merge scope at small arm grip. Then validate the sketch. Hide the small arm for checking, then show it after. Also, hide the large and small arm grip sketch as we focus on some angle of the object. Add mirror entities of large and small arm pin and grip and pivot pin as well. Select these portions. Click the fillet at edge of this part of extrude 5 like this with a radius of 2 mm. Then validate the sketch after.
Explore it, then view it isometrically. Select all of these features or parts. Right click and assign material. As we will be assigning a material for all of these 7 parts, search for aluminum 1080 material. And then accept. edit the main sketch, view it on a normal sketch plane. The large and small arms should be modified. Modify these dimensions like this. And then accept the sketch.
You can select this mid-plane and make it in an offset distance of 35 millimeter. And after that, we can accept and validate the sketch. You can check it out like this one, or view it isometrically. And after that, all the features, we can select it all like this, from large arm to small arm grip, and go check the mass properties of this object. Okay, that's it.
As there are a few changes, click the main sketch and edit it. Then click on the curve tool and select the point and set the radius of 20 degree. And click equal and accept the sketch. This output tutorial was indeed an excellent scheme providing the process of deriving multi-part objects into a great assembly development. It is a simple to complex mode of exploration at Onshape app. As final words, we're proud to say that we did it! An exceptional multi-part studio. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.